Question 7, the bar graph shows the number of books read by class A from January to April. The number of books read is not shown on the graph. So the scale here is not given, but they are asking for the percentage increase of books read from January to February. So some of you ask, the question did not give us any scale. How do we get the difference over original? So not to worry. When you have questions like that, I just want you to take note. Now, increase from January to February. I want you to take note. There is actually 10 intervals here. There's 20 intervals here. So it means that February, right, is twice. February is twice of January. Now when we change this twice, it's actually 2 out of 1. If you remember that we did this whereby the units is given. So how do we get the percentage increase? It's actually twice. So if I draw a model out to represent the twice, February, this is January. So it is exactly, if January is 100%, February is another 100% increase. So the answer for A is 100%. For part B, the average number of books read in a month from January to April was 75. So I'm going to look at the intervals now from January to April, right? So I have 10 intervals, 20. For March, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 intervals. Over here, I have 5, 10, 15, 20. I have 22 intervals. So I'm going to add all the intervals together. I would have 10 plus 20 plus 8 plus 22. I will get 20, 30, 60. So I have 60 gaps. 60 gaps will be, some of you think that 60 gaps is 75. It's not true because we are talking about average here. So I would have 75 times 4 because I have January, February, March and April. Times 4, I'll get 300. So I'm going to try to find the interval gaps, the value of each interval. So one gap, I'll do my equation. So I will get my interval is actually 5. So you know that your interval, I'm going to erase this in case it confuses you, okay? This refers to the gaps. But now you do know that the interval is 5. So what you need to do is, after knowing that the interval is 5, you will just find April. Just now, April, the interval that we counted was 22. So what I'm going to do is to use 22 gaps. I will have 22 times 5 equals to 110.